Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Hope you guys are safe, doing well wherever you're at. Tonight's review is going to be about an EDC wallet, minimalist kind of wallet. Stay tuned after the intro and we'll get right into it. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel. I hope you're enjoying the content. I hope you're safe. I appreciate all the support as I always start out my videos. You guys are awesome, each and every one of you. Tonight, like I said, we're going to go over an EDC wallet, a minimalist wallet. I get tongue-tied. The company is called Nap Adams Leather. They make custom minimalist wallets. I've browsed their Instagram and they have some pretty awesome looking wallets. All raw materials. The owner's name is Steven. He hand makes everything, and the wallet that he sent me is hands down probably one of the best wallets I've ever had. I've been using it for I want to say almost a month. It's withstanding everything I'm putting through it. Every type of wallet I get, I use at least for 2 to 3 weeks to make sure it's, the money clip on it's not going to break, or it's not going to scratch easy, or it's not going to, tear, rip, crack, break, all the above. What he sent me was an EDC minimalist wallet, and I absolutely love this wallet. He also sent me a little card. It's kind of cool. I'll go ahead and read it. Mr. Beertastic, thanks so much for doing this. I really hope you like it. I really hope you like and use this wallet for years to come, Steven. And it's funny because the material he used, he put as ingredients, so that's pretty awesome. He did send me a little patch. I know it's probably worn off a little bit. You can't really tell what it is. But that's kind of like his mark. And this is the wallet. The ingredients is Wicket and Craig Buck Brown outer shell, Horween Outland dark chestnut inner backing and pockets. The third one is Colonial Tan and Red Ritza's tiger thread. And the fourth and final is the stainless steel money clip. I don't know if you guys seen my Instagram post. I did a short clip talking about this video. But this is that wallet, and this camera does not do any justice for this thing. As you can see, it's leather. It's got marks, it's got creases on it. It's been through a lot the last few weeks. It's just there we go. The thread is nice and thick. It's clean. I mean, just everything about this, everything's straight, it lines up. And it's the first ever wallet that I've actually got sent that it was custom made. And the same thing on the inside. As you can see, all the lines are clean. It's got his design right here too. And of course, remember, these are $100 bills, they're not dollar bills. And the money clip, I've never had a money clip like this. And I'll go ahead and pull that money out. I'll pull all those hundreds out. And how you get that out is all you do is just pull that out like that. And you can either leave it in or take it out. But this has got some thickness to it. And it just feels durable. It just feels really well built. And the pockets, the most I've had in one side of these pockets are 3 cards, and that was pushing it. I'm pretty sure Steven said they're only made to fit a couple cards a piece, and I didn't want a chance putting 3 cards in it for fear that when you're trying to get it out, you're pulling on the pocket, and I didn't want the thread to start fraying or anything. But it's got the RFID in it as well. But just everything about the wallet, it's clean, it looks good, it smells good. And the money clip is like bendable, so and you just put that money clip in. Let me just get it started. Just throw it in like so. Just push down on it, and when you go to lift it up, it stays in place, and when you put your money in, it clips right back down. And he customized the front, as you can see, fire department 343, and I hope you guys know what that means. And if you do not know what that means, 343 firefighters were lost in 9/11. So that was pretty cool of him to engrave that in there. But I want to say to Steven, thank you. I appreciate that. This wallet will be on my person probably for a while, or at least until I get another wallet to test out and review. But thank you. If you guys want to check Steven's workout, I'll link it down in the description box. It's under nap_adams_leather on Instagram. Like I said, I'll put it in the link below. Thank you guys for hanging out with me tonight. I hope you enjoyed the review. If you're looking for something discreet, something EDC, minimalist, check Steven's workout. I highly recommend his work. It's just everything's straight. You guys seen it. It's just a beautiful wallet. That'll wrap it up for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like it, make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. To the next review, guys. Peace out.